What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my Miniverse. Y'all, there are new Mini BarbieLand playsets. So let's set up our pink room with our custom Mini BarbieLand figures and get ready to check out some minis. I bought these on Amazon. Thanks, I'm a Dollar Girl on Instagram for the heads up. It was $5.99, and I got this one same-day delivery, which is a hair salon playset. I also got the pet boutique playset and a new color change convertible with a beach accessory playset. I also ordered 2 others, but we're waiting for those to arrive. But while we wait, let's check out the salon. The packaging looks similar to the first wave of Mini BarbieLand, with an image of the playset on the back. We just need to cut the tape at the top to free the minis. Looks like there is a tiny backdrop that we can cut from the packaging and fold to use with the dolls. You know, the dolls who collect dolls. The included Mini Barbie has red hair, brown eyes, a pink lip color, a colorful houndstooth dress, and blue shoes. Like most Mini BarbieLand figures, it is a pixelated kind of digital print, and the figure can bend at the waist. The included playset has a blue styling station with a white painted countertop, a pink mirror and shelving with Barbie written in yellow. The mirror is reflective. There's a pink chair in front, a wash station with a pink chair, and that chair does recline. There's a purple glittery wall with sculpted details, a blue counter with a computer that can spin around, and a small picture on the front that can flip around. This little chair can move as well. Can this one? Yep, they both move. Behind the counter, there's a little heart space for the doll to stand so she can check out her clients. And the base of the playset is green. Personally, I would have loved if the floor was pink. That way it would match our backdrop. I know that the backdrop is not part of the toy, but I like the color choices. We also get a blow dryer that we can place on the counter, a tiny comb, and a brush. That's a good size to be a doll brush for a doll. The figure can sit in the chair and recline to get her hair washed. And the playset is compatible with other minifigures. Okay, let me say I love that they are making playsets, giving us more than just minifigures. And this could be pretty cool for those who want to collect Barbies on a smaller scale. And in addition to a salon, we can also have a miniature pet boutique with a little background. The playset is made of 4 different animal spaces. There's an aquarium that can turn, a swing for a small pink bird. The bird is removable. We also get a brown hamster that doesn't look to have its own space. There's a brown dog that can go in the doghouse. There's a small orange cat that can go in the basket. And the Mini BarbieLand figure has dark brown hair, brown eyes, a striped shirt, and a colorful dress, and wears a pair of white shoes. There is a place for her to stand behind the checkout counter so she can greet all the customers, and there's a spot in the front so she can tend to the pets. Or we can bring over another figure so they are looking at the pets. And since some of the houses came with pets, we can mix those in as well, adding more minis to our pet boutique. The next playset has a convertible car with some color change elements. Oh, but the surfboard has the color change and not the car. Here is the backdrop that I cut from the box. Ooh, we get a beach. Nice. And a Mini BarbieLand figure wearing a very familiar bathing suit. It's a pink and white bathing suit with a wrap that we've seen on this Barbie. Only the Mini BarbieLand figure has red hair. I think those are dark brown or maybe black eyes. If you look closely, you can see that she has gold earrings. I think I see some blue eyeshadow. I could be wrong, but she does have a pink lip color. Here is the included surfboard with a pink Barbie logo. There's a peg on the bottom, so it can be attached to the included wave, so we can make it look like the doll is surfing. The blue wave is attached to a sandy beach, and then there's a small palm tree on the side. We also get a pink convertible car with silver painted wheels, painted headlights, a gray license plate, gray interior, and space for a surfboard in the back that you can do the whole color change thing with if you like. I think the beach is pretty cool, and I personally wouldn't have mind if we had a little more shoreline and maybe traded the car for a bike, since we have a couple cars already. But if you're looking for mini Barbies that are slightly larger, DollarTree has new micro Barbie figures for $1.25. I have been waiting to find these in my local store, because finally they are based on Barbie Fashionistas. We've seen a couple Barbie careers, we've seen a sports theme, Dreamtopia, and we've repainted a few over the years to look like holiday Barbies and Barbie the movie. And there are Monster High minis. But I have been begging for Fashionistas, and at last, they are here. Out of the box, at first glance, it looks like the paint job might be a little better. If you're looking at the eyes, I would say, yeah, definitely an improvement. The lines are crisp, and you can see a little dry brushing on her outfit. She wears black strappy shoes, and even the stand is different. It's a cutout of Barbie. This figure is finished all the way around. I picked up two to check for consistency, and I think they look pretty good. When compared to some of the earlier micro Barbies, the stand is thicker, and here, this figure might be a little shorter, so it might be a petite Barbie. And I think this one is a tall Barbie, wearing a yellow necklace, a pink top, jeans, and yellow shoes. Here's a curvy Barbie with blue hair and green eyes. This figure is dressed in a pink top with a black and white bustier and a blue skirt, and a pair of black shoes. There is definitely a height difference, but I'm not sure if the first one is a petite. Here's another curvy Barbie with blonde hair, blue eyes, wearing a white shirt with pink lines, a yellow skirt, and black shoes. This outfit looks similar to the one that came with Barbie Fashionista number 38, only that doll had like dark reddish hair, so they might not be consistent with the original doll. Personally, I would have loved if they were all exact minis of the originals, but this one does look similar to Barbie Fashionista number 30, with a pink top, net white skirt, and yellow shoes. These dolls stand a little under 3 inches, and can totally be used as dolls for dolls. Since I'm an adult doll collector, I love making my doll a doll collector too. I do like the price of the dollar store dolls, but I love that Mini BarbieLand has playsets and accessories. Let us know which one is your favorite in the comments down below. And thank you for joining us while we checked out some dolls for dolls. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time.